If you frequently use the rest mode feature on your PS5, there's something very important that you need to know to prevent irreversible damage to your console. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve the issue of your PS5 crashing after using the rest mode feature and highlight some important things that you need to be mindful of even if you haven't experienced this issue but still regularly use rest mode on your PS5. So chances are you've likely encountered a situation where upon powering your console back on from rest mode, you receive a prompt on your screen indicating that your PS5 wasn't shut down properly. This is often followed by a system database rebuild. While this issue won't always happen to you, it is absolutely crucial that you never see this message on your screen. There are two main reasons why this could occur. Either your PS5 was shut down abruptly, or it has fluctuating power supply, and that could be due to a setting that you've enabled. The consequences of either case could be that you could end up losing all your data, or even destroying the power supply capacitor, making your PS5 completely useless. Now, the good news is that if you're dealing with this problem right now or want to prevent it, there are a few simple fixes that you can try. So make sure to leave a like on the video and let's get right into it. The single most effective thing that you can do to stop your PS5 from crashing is to disable the HDMI device link feature. To do this, select System, then choose HDMI and ensure that HDMI device link is set to disabled. This feature is known to cause issues during rest mode, and disabling it should completely resolve the problem. Alternatively, if this doesn't work, you still have two more options that you can try. First, navigate to power safe settings, then select features available in rest mode and adjust the power supply to USB port setting to either always or off. This adjustment can be particularly beneficial for users who have an external hard drive connected to their PS5. Start by setting it to always and see if that resolves the issue. If the problem persists, switch the setting to off instead. Additionally, you might consider temporarily disconnecting your external hard drive, as it's possible, though unlikely, that the hard drive itself could be causing the problem rather than the console. Lastly, if you're still experiencing crashes, consider investing in a UPS battery backup for your gaming setup. This would help prevent any electrical issues or power fluctuations from damaging your console or even your PC. If you're interested, you can find more details through the Amazon affiliate link in the description box down below. Now you know what to do if you run into issues using rest mode on your PlayStation 5. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like to the video, share your thoughts in the comment section below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more useful content.